friends, Running Kimono here. We have free deodorant this morning over at Walgreens and $2 CARESS body wash. This price we haven't seen in years for the CARESS body wash, 20-ounce bottles. If you know, you know. If this is a favorite of yours, I would definitely stock up because I haven't seen a rebate this large on CARESS in a very long time. And if you love this body wash, well, you know this is a superb deal. These deals are specifically in store as well, guys. You are not buying them curbside. You have to go to the store to get them. This morning we have a 10 back when you spend 30 on Kenvu items, and that's valid right to November the 2nd. That top one, they're also a sneak peek, so they're not going to be activated till next week. And the top one is for like Johnson & Johnson Aveeno products. That's what Kenvu is. And the bottom one is for next week, a 10 back when you spend 45, valid next week. Both of them showed up in my account. Go and load them right away. Okay, coming back to the video, we are looking for the Dove whole body deodorants for $10 at Walgreens. This week, these deodorants are on sale for $10 each. There's also a deodorant in the mix called Dove Vitamin. That is not part of this. So please pay attention, guys. You want to see the whole body on the packaging. That's very important. The promotion for this week is to buy 2 of these and get back a $3 register reward. That's why we have to do it in store. Now, here's the second part of this. That's somewhat confusing, but hopefully you could follow along. Some of us have a $5 off 1 coupon, and some of us have a $5 off 2 coupon off of the deodorant. So you really need to pay attention. Is yours a 5 off of 1 or a 5 off of 2? If you have the 5 off of 1, this deal is just a freebie for you. If it's 5 off 2, it's still a pretty good deal, but we're going to look at it a bunch of different ways. IBOTTA has $7 back on a Dove whole body deodorant. The limit for this is up to 1, so please pay attention to that. So you're only going to get that $7 back once. And this will also go very quickly because it's a very popular deodorant. If you have the 5 off 1 coupon, here's the deal. Grab one of these deodorants for $10, only one. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $7 back. It makes it free and a $2 moneymaker. I'm encouraging you to open up the IBOTTA app and scan what you're buying in store to ensure that the $7 rebate is there and you're grabbing the right deodorant. And double, triple check your coupon. Is it a 5 off 2 or a 5 off 1? Pay attention. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, but a neat and tidy little deal. I would pounce on this right away. Now, alternatively, if you don't have that 5 off 1 coupon, just do the exact same deal. Grab the 1 Dove whole body deodorant for $10, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $7 back. It's $3 for this deodorant, 70% off. And again, I recommend that you scan everything to ensure that the rebate is still there and that what you're in fact buying is attaching to the rebate. No booster deal, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Now, if you have that 5 off 2 digital coupon, looking at the deal another way, grab 2 of these for $20. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $15. Get back a $3 register reward and $7 back from IBOTTA. You got to take a photo of your receipt for IBOTTA. It makes it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per deodorant. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But $2.50 for these deodorants that are upwards of like $13 on a non-sales week, that is a heck of a deal. So I would definitely make this one happen because it's just chef's kiss is fantastic. Now, the next deal I'm super hyper about is the CARESS body wash. We have a $2 rebate for the actual liquid body wash. And then for the bar soap, it's $1.50 back. So whatever your store may have, if you know, this is a very good body wash that we used to get deals on back in the olden days, but not so much anymore. So it's $6 for the 20-ounce bottles, and IBOTTA has that generous rebate. And the promotion with this week is to buy 2 to get back a $4 register reward. That's why you have to do this one in store. Grabbing 2 of those body washes for $12. You'll pay that or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 2, whatever you might have. Get back a $4 register reward. photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. It makes it $4 for 2 or $2 per body wash. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but definitely a way to stock up on this liquid gold because we never get deals on CARESS anymore. That manufacturer has been stingy for the last couple of years, so this is delightful to see. And I would definitely make this one happen as well and make sure that your rebates are there in IBOTTA and go and have a great time over at Walgreens today because this is a little bit of magic. That's it for this video. And if you love in-store shopping, I made a video on Sunday. I'll link it here at the very end with a couple more deals in store. There's a lot more than these 2 deals this week. Check it out and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.